Imagine waking up to a sky so bright it blinds you, followed by a thunderous roar that knocks people off their feet, flattens entire forests, and can be heard from over 1,000 kilometers away. Yet when the smoke clears, there's no impact crater, no meteor, just silence. What could cause such destruction without leaving a trace? On June 30th, 1908, at exactly 7:15 a.m., the Earth trembled near the Tunguska River in central Siberia. A mysterious explosion, 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb, ripped through the atmosphere and incinerated over 80 million trees, flattening 500,000 acres of forest in seconds. The explosion's energy was later estimated to be around 12 to 15 megatons, equivalent to 185 atomic bombs detonating all at once. Witnesses described seeing a massive fireball streaking across the sky, followed by a blinding flash and an ear-splitting shockwave. Despite the sheer scale of destruction, when scientists arrived at the site nearly 19 years later, they were stunned to discover there was no crater, no remnants of a meteor or comet, just trees flattened in a perfect radial pattern, all pointing away from the blast's epicenter, as if a giant invisible hand had pressed them down. At the very center, a bizarre sight. Trees still standing, charred, branchless, and stripped of bark, but eerily upright. It was as if something had exploded in midair, directly above the forest. For over a century, scientists have struggled to explain this mysterious explosion. The leading theory, an asteroid or comet, about 50 to 60 meters wide and weighing nearly 200,000 tons, entered Earth's atmosphere at 27,000 kilometers, but never reached the ground. Instead, it detonated midair, creating a high-altitude explosion known as an airburst. The intense heat and pressure vaporized the object before impact, leaving no solid debris or crater behind. Other theories have emerged over time. A comet made entirely of ice, which disintegrated before hitting Earth. A natural gas explosion from under the Earth's crust. Even bizarre ideas like a mini black hole or a UFO crash. Some conspiracy theorists have claimed it was an early Russian nuclear test, decades before the first official detonation. What makes the Tunguska event even weirder is what happened afterward. Nights across Europe and Asia were unusually bright for days. Newspapers could be read without any lamps. Magnetic disturbances were recorded, similar to those caused by nuclear detonations. And even today, more than a century later, trees in the area grow abnormally, twisted and mutated, as if something altered their biology. Despite all the theories and studies, no definitive cause has ever been confirmed. The Tunguska event remains one of the greatest unsolved explosions in recorded history, a reminder that our planet can still be rocked by forces from beyond, silently, unexpectedly, and without warning. So the real question is, was this a one-time freak event, or a preview of what could happen again?